Did you know that 38% of users will leave a website if they find the design unattractive? On that 1 second delay in page load time can drop conversion by around 7%. The first thing I want to start with is what business owners ignore, and it can cost them up to 14% in lost new potential customers. Imagine your website is like a digital storefront. Imagine walking into a store with flickering lights, a confusing layout, and a grumpy cashier. Would you stay? Probably not. The same applies to online businesses. If your site is slow, outdated, or hard to navigate, your visitors will leave before even checking your product or services. 94% of first impressions are based on web design. Yes, people judge your business by the way your site looks. 88% of users won't return to a site after a bad experience. 57% internet users say they won't recommend a business with a poorly designed website. So if you don't want to lose customers, you should think about updating your webpage. If your website looks like it's still stuck in 2012, it's not just a design issue. It's a business problem. Your website is often the first impression potential customers have on your company. And if it feels outdated, slow, or difficult to navigate, you are likely losing sales before you even get the chance to pitch your product or service. A modern, high-converting website isn't just about aesthetics. It's about user experience, mobile responsibility, speed optimization, and strategic messaging that guides visitors toward taking actions. Let's look on two companies that recognized the need for change and saw significantly revenue growth simply by redesigning their website. Through strategic improvements in design, navigation, and conversion optimization, they didn't just make their sites look better, they turned them into powerful sales tools. 100 CBDs, an e-commerce store selling CBD oil, struggled with low conversion rates. Many potential customers didn't trust their website enough to complete a purchase. To fix this, they focused on improved UI UX, making the site look more professional and credible. Trust signals, adding customer review-based and money-back guarantees. Third one, mobile optimization, ensuring a smooth experience on smartphones. The result, their conversion rate jumped to 1.25% and their average order value increased to $50. A bad website is like a leaky bucket. No matter how much traffic you pour in, most of it will slip away before converting into sales. Would you let your physical store have broken doors, confusing ASOS, and rude cashier? No? Then don't let your website do the same to your customers. How much does Amazon lose due to site loading delays? Let's put things into perspective. Even Amazon, one of the biggest e-commerce giants in the world, found that every 100 milliseconds extra load time resulted in 1% drop in revenue. Now 100 milliseconds is barely noticeable to the human eye, yet for a company generating hundreds of billions in sales, that small delay translates into millions of dollars in lost revenue. But there's the key takeaway. Speed and performance don't just matter for Amazon, they matter for every business operating online. If you're running a service-based business, an e-commerce store, or even a B2B SaaS company, these fractions of a second could be costing you real money. And it's not just about speed. Google also prioritizes fast mobile-friendly websites in search ranking. That means if your site is slow, you are not just losing sales, you are also losing visibility and potential leads before they even lead on your page. So, if a tech giant like Amazon with its cutting-edge infrastructure and world-class engineers obsesses over every millisecond, why wouldn't you? Your website isn't just an online brochure, it's a critical part of your revenue engine. This is proof that trust equals more sales. If people feel safe and comfortable on your site, they're much more likely to buy. The solution? Make sure your website is well designed and optimized for the best user experience so you can build trust and remove friction from the user experience. If you are interested in improving the design of your website, my company can help you with this. Our professional team will take care of your webpage. So if you wanted to talk about it, just book a meet with me through the link below. It was your trustable chief executive officer. We'll see you.